In this video, we are going to discuss how to lose belly fat without exercise. Yes, you heard it right. You can lose belly fat even without doing any physical activity or doing aggressive workouts for hours daily. But first, hit like and subscribe to our channel and let's get started. Belly fat, also known as visceral fat, is a type of fat that accumulates around the abdomen and surrounds vital organs like liver, pancreas, and intestines. This type of fat is different from subcutaneous fat, which is located just under the skin. It is extremely dangerous for health because it is metabolically active and can release harmful substances into the body, which can lead to a range of health problems. Here are some more unique and highly effective ideas to lose belly fat without exercise. Practice mindful eating. Mindful eating means paying attention to your food and eating slowly. It can help you avoid overeating and make healthier food choices. Try to eat in a calm environment and avoid distractions like watching TV or scrolling on your phone. Oolong tea. Oolong tea is a type of traditional Chinese tea that is semi-oxidized. Studies have found that oolong tea can increase energy expenditure and fat burning, leading to weight loss. Add lemon juice to your diet. Lemon juice is a good source of vitamin C and antioxidants, which can help support a healthy immune system and reduce inflammation in the body. Consuming lemon juice as part of a healthy diet and lifestyle may support weight loss efforts, including reducing belly fat. Intermittent fasting. It is a popular dieting strategy that involves limiting the time during which you eat, with the goal of creating a calorie deficit and promoting weight loss. Focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats. And opt the diet plan, whether the 16/8 method or the 5-2 method. Exclude high-calorie density foods. High-calorie density foods are foods that contain a large number of calories per unit of volume or weight. These foods can be particularly problematic for people trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight, as they can lead to overconsumption of calories without feeling full or satisfied. For example, fatty meats such as bacon, sausage, and beef. Fried foods such as French fries, onion rings, and fried chicken. Candy and sweets such as chocolate bars and pastries. Quench your thirst with water. Drinking plenty of water can help you lose belly fat by keeping you hydrated and preventing overeating. Sometimes when you feel hungry, you are actually thirsty. Drinking water can also help flush out toxins from your body and improve your digestion. And lastly, be patient and persistent. Losing belly fat takes time and consistency. Stick with your schedule and healthy diet, and you should start to see results over time. Remember, while these ideas can help you lose belly fat without exercise, incorporating physical activity into your routine can also have many health benefits. Consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. Thanks for watching.